Welcome to my viewers. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to replace power board and formatter board in HP LaserJet M1136 MFP. Right? So first, what I am going to do, I am going to open this power board section. This is the power board section. Here only we are going to connect that, or generally we used to connect our power cable, and this is the USB cable. Okay, both boards are here only, both power board as well as formatter board, which is available in one section itself. But generally HP 1020 power board this section and formatter board this section. But in this M1136 MFP, both boards are in one section only. See, first I am going to open this. So generally here there will be one screw. So first remove this screw, right? Okay. Then after that, using this one minus, just lift this, right? Then slightly lift up. First here, right? Okay. So this will come like this. Just lift this and slowly shake this. So the cover will come out, right? Okay, right? So see here, this is the formatter board, and inside there is a power board. First I am going to remove the formatter board, right? So once if you want to change the formatter board only, means simply you can remove this area and replace the formatter board. So when the formatter board is not working or the printer is not getting detect, you have to replace the formatter board. So to remove the formatter board, I have to remove the formatter board, just remove these screws, 1, 2, and 3, and 4th screw, 4 screw. Right? Totally 4 numbers of screws I have removed. Then simply take this board. First remove this scanner cable. This is the scanner cable, right? Okay. First remove the scanner cable. So slowly you have to do this operation and all. You should not be hurry, right? Right? This is the power for formatter board. This is the control panel cable. This is the engine board cable. This is the power cable. This is the control panel cable. This is the power cable. This is the scanner cable, right? After removing this, maintain this board carefully. Very carefully, right? Then we are going to remove the what is called a power board. So to remove the power board, what you have to do? You have to open this section also. Right? Here there will be one screw. Simply remove the screw, right? Okay. Then using this minus, just lift. Just lift. Okay. So I have removed this cover also. This section also I did remove. Okay. Right. Maintain this cover properly. Right. Then what you have to do? You have to remove the front section. Front cover also you have to remove. For this, what you have to do? Simply lift up. Likewise, here lift up. Right? Lift up. Right? remove this cover also, right? Okay. So after that, what you have to do? See, there will be 2 black screws in front section. So just remove this. First remove this 2 screws. Right? Then remove this screw. Yeah, little bit tight. Right? So first remove the 2 screws in front side. This is the front side. After removing this, right? So you have to remove the screw one by one. See, there will be a screw inside. So remove this screw. This screw is little bit different. This screw is little bit different. Okay, not like other screws. Other screws are like this, but this screw will be like this, right? Okay. Then remove this screw. Yeah, here there is one screw. Actually, this is the black screw. So this is white screw. This is black screw, right? Then okay. Then and remove this screw. Remove this screw, right? Then there is one more screw. See here, which is available here. That is black screw. So finding itself very difficult because which is available in that black holder itself. See, now remove this. Yeah. See. So for this is the power button cable. This is the power button cable. See, this is the power button cable. Simply remove this, right? Right. Okay. So this is the this is the formator board holder. This is the formator board holder, and also which is having switch. This is the power board. This is the power board. Now we are going to remove this power board, right? So for first this, I am going to open this. And one more screw here. So maintain the screw properly and then remove this protector, right? Okay. Then what else? So one screw is here. You have to remember all the screws. What type of screws you have removed from particular area. So you have to keep it in your mind, right? Right? Okay. And yeah, there is one screw, center of the board, one screw is there. Right? and side in power plug side there is one screw. Use proper screwdriver, then opening will be very easy, right? Okay, right? So see here, almost we removed the power board, right? So after that, what you have to do? You have to remove the, what is this? See here, this is the, what is fusel roller wire. Yeah, right? After that, what you have to do? You have to remove this back panel. Which is consuming more work. Right? See, to remove this, simply lift here up and slowly, do it slowly, don't be hurried, right? See, after removing this, then only you can remove all these cables. See here, the power cable to supply the power to this board. That is see, here I am going to remove slowly, don't be hurried, haste make waste. Do it slowly. Yeah. So yeah. So now I almost remove the power board. Yeah. So then you have to remove these two ribbon cables. Yeah, slowly you have to do. And that's all. We remove the power board. Almost we remove the power board. To finish this, removing this, you have to remove this also, right? Then only you can remove the power board. See here. So remove this scanner unit, right? Then only we can remove the power board. After removing the scanner unit, simply remove this. Yeah, this is the very important, right? Now the power board is separated from the printer, right? So the same way you have to replace the new power board into your printer and make your printer get okay. Have a nice day. Welcome.